This is the window that's going to be made into a door. I'll take the sill out, lower wall and the window obviously, and fit a single door. Windows coming out, sill come out, lower wall out. I'm going to cut the sill and bring the two sides in to continue the granite down. That's today's job. We'll start that anyway. Window frame's out, window sill's out. Going to take the wall down now to the floor level indoors. Back with the taking the window out, putting the door frame in. I've removed a lot of the stone there, so it's basically just a concrete render on the other side, and that stone is all one piece, so it's wider than I thought it was. But what I'm going to do is chop it in the middle and then turn the pieces around so they go vertically under here. And I've put an acro, take some of the weight. I've wedged the sides to push the stones back into the wall. So we've got the props in there, jamming the sides out, holding them in place. Don't think there's going to move. I've had to slice the stone. I emptied this side, kept that side supported, put pressure on it so it broke. It's broke fairly cleanly, but there is a bit of a thing I've got to cut off, a split. And you can see there, that's the other side of it. And then I took the rest of the wall out on this side, so there was nothing underneath it, and then helped this one down. It's fallen. So I think for today now, I'm just going to clear up inside and make the whole pest proof for the evening, and then start again tomorrow. But so far, very, very pleased with the efforts and the progress. Bye for now. So that's so far. That's the window bottom sill. I cut in half, and I've stuck in for now. I rebaited the back for the door down both sides, so it'd fit up to the door. And it's pretty good, pretty pleased with it for an amateur. So I'm letting that go off tonight, and then tomorrow I'll fill in. Obviously the back of these is hollow where all the stones come out, so I've got to go from both sides, inside and outside, and fill them in. But all in all, pretty good. Still not sure what I'm doing about the bottom yet, but I can sort that out later.